Scene 1. Discovery. Old man's garage.
Hidden for
a narrow
decades,
dirt road leads to a quiet village.
Waits
An
to
old
tell
man
its
sits
story.
outside a small wooden house carving a piece of wood. He looks up as your car stops. Slowly he stands, reaches into his pocket and pulls out a rusty key. He walks to a broken garage door and unlocks it. The door creaks open. A beam of sunlight cuts through the darkness, revealing the curved silhouette of a Bugatti Atlantic under a thick layer of dust. The iconic riveted spine and flowing lines glow faintly in the light as the camera slowly circles the car. Voice. Hidden for decades, a masterpiece waits to tell its story. Scene 2. Condition reveal close-ups of flat tires sinking into cracked concrete. Dust covers the classic bodywork. One headlight is fogged, a mirror hangs loose, and spider webs stretch across the hood. The engine bay opens, showing dry wires and dull metal. The room falls silent. Voice. Time left its mark, but the soul of the car remained untouched. Scene 3. His story. The old man sits on a wooden stool, holding a faded photograph of a younger version of himself standing proudly beside the Bugatti Atlantic when it was new. He smiles softly and places the photo on the hood, wiping away dust with his hand. Voice. Every scratch, every layer of dust, he carries a memory of a bygone era. Scene 4. The team arrives. A truck pulls up. The crew steps out with toolboxes, cameras, and lights. They walk slowly around the car, nodding in respect. One checks the tires. Another opens the door, breathing in the scent of old leather. Voice. And we didn't come to repair, we came to awaken a legend. Scene 5. Extraction mission ropes are tied carefully. Wooden planks are placed on the ground. The Bugatti Atlantic rolls forward inch by inch as dust falls in clouds. Villagers gather to watch. The car is lifted onto a flatbed truck. The old man raises his hand in a quiet wave as it drives away. Voice. Every careful move, a step closer to rebirth. Scene 6. Garage entry. Massive metal doors slide open at a modern workshop. Bright white lights turn on one by one. The Bugatti Atlantic rolls inside, surrounded by high-tech tools and lifts. Voice. From forgotten corners into the hands of masters. Scene 7. Deep clean power washers spray across the body. Foam covers every curve. Mud and dust wash away, revealing deep, rich paint beneath. The riveted spine begins to shine. Voice. As the layers vanish, the true elegance emerges. Scene 8. Engine revival. The hood opens. Mechanics move in sync, tightening bolts, reconnecting wires, replacing hoses. Fresh oil is poured, a battery is connected. Everyone steps back. Voice. A heart frozen in time is ready to beat again. Scene 9. Interior luxury restore seats are restitched with fine leather. Wooden dashboard panels and metal trim are polished until they glow. Gauges light up softly. The steering wheel is aligned perfectly. Voice. Every detail whispers luxury. Every surface tells a story. Scene 10. Paint and polish. The car enters a paint booth. Fresh paint flows across the body. Buffing wheels move slowly, turning the surface into a mirror under studio lights. Voice. From forgotten and faded to radiant and timeless. Scene 11. Power-up moment. A hand turns the key. The engine coughs once, then roars smoothly. Headlights glow on, the floor vibrates. The crew smiles. Voice. The moment it awakens. History comes alive. Scene 12. First drive. The Bugatti Atlantic rolls out onto open roads. The camera follows as it glides forward. Trees blur. The engine hums through the valley. From stillness to motion. From memory to magnificence. Scene 13. The return. The car enters the village again. Children run beside it. People raise their phones. The old man steps forward, stunned by the shine and sound. For him, it isn't just a car. It's a bridge between past and present. Scene 14. His reaction. He places his hand on the hood, seeing his reflection in the flawless paint. He smiles, nodding slowly as the engine idles behind him. Voice. Legends aren't meant to stay hidden, they are meant to be remembered. Scene 15. Final reveal. Tease. The Bugatti Atlantic drives toward the sunset. The road stretches ahead. Text fades in. Follow for part 2. Another legend awaits. Voice. This is only the beginning of an unforgettable story.